Hello. In this video, we will walk you through the new features, introduced in version 3.5, of PDF Index Generator. We are currently in step 3 of the program. Let's begin. Feature number 1. Enhanced Font Editing. You can now change the font, of an entire index term, or just part of it. Previously, when you select a row and click Edit Font, it shows a window that lets you change the font for the whole term only. Now, you can select specific words within the term, and apply formatting like bold or italic. For example, we'll make agency, italic, and definition of, bold. Click Apply. And the changes will appear in the results table, and will appear in the final index, when writing the index to a file, in step 4. Feature number 2. Adding terms to include or exclude categories. Now you can easily assign terms to include or exclude lists directly from step 3. Highlight one or more terms in the results table. Right-click any of them, and choose this new added option, Add to Category. You will see a submenu with your Define Include and Exclude lists, from the program settings. Select a list, and the terms will be added accordingly. You can later manage these lists in the settings. Let's view the Include category we just added terms to. Click Tools, Settings, Include Exclude Words, and double-click the category. Here are the words that we've added to this Include category in step 3. Click Cancel to move back to step 3. Feature number 3. Page number adjustments, with footnotes support. The Increment-Decrement Page Numbers tool now supports page numbers that include footnotes. For instance, this term is on page 94, with footnote number 3. We will increment it to 95, using the toolbar button. Increment-Decrement Page Numbers. Let's set the range from 94 to 94, then increment it by 1. The page number has changed to 95, even that, it has a footnote number. Feature number 4. Improved PDF output, for right-to-left languages. We have upgraded the internal PDF engine, that is used in the program, which improves rendering, for Arabic, Indian, and other right-to-left languages. Previously, these terms appeared reversed in the final PDF, for some words that have ligatures. Now they display correctly, preserving ligatures and proper direction. Let's try it. For example, this Arabic term here. When writing it to a PDF file, it will be written exactly as shown. Let's move to step 4 and test writing it. We will write the index to a new PDF file. Done. Let's open it. Here is the Arabic word. The text appears properly formatted. Feature number 5. Better Linux compatibility. On Linux systems, there were interface and display issues. These have now been fixed. We've improved rendering, fixed control issues, and updated the program's appearance on Linux. It should now run more smoothly and reliably. Finally, we'd like to mention our new yearly upgrade plan. We've introduced an automated yearly upgrade plan, heavily discounted. Once subscribed, your program will receive yearly updates, for a small fee deducted from your preferred payment method, and no manual upgrading is needed anymore. You can find more info in the customer area. These are just some of the updates in version 3.5. For a full list of improvements and bug fixes, check the release log on our website. If you have feedback or suggestions, please reach out. We value your ideas, and we truly consider your comments to create better new user-friendly releases. That's the end of this tutorial. Thanks for watching.